Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745 and in this video I will show you how to change date and time on this laptop. First, right click the date time icon on your status bar, select adjust date and time, then switch the toggle to the left next to set time automatically option. Then to change date and time, click change right here. Expand this list of values and select the values that you need. Now, be aware that by changing date and time on your laptop, you will make many online services like Google unavailable for you because they require date and time to be correct on your device. So I only recommend using this feature in case your automatic time setter doesn't work correctly. To apply changes, click change, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.